Your team spends an hour every day on competitor research. Here's how to get that hour back. We're going to set up a system that tracks your competitors and industry sources, writes a single AI summary of everything that happened, and drops it into Slack automatically every morning before your team even opens their laptops. The tool is called RSS App, and the whole setup takes under 10 minutes. Start by picking the first source you want to track. This could be a competitor's blog, a trade publication, a PR page, anything with a URL. Copy that URL, head to rss.app, paste it into the RSS generator, and hit Generate. RSS.app creates a structured feed from that page. Every time it publishes something new, your feed captures it. Save the feed to your account and repeat the same step for your other sources. Chances are you're watching more than one. Here's where bundles come in. Go to the Bundles section, click New Bundle, and select all the feeds you just created. Name it something useful and save it. Now you have a single feed that pulls from every source at once. One brief covers everything. Toggle on AI Brief. This is the key part. Instead of sending you every individual post, which gets noisy fast, AI Brief reads all the recent updates and writes you one consolidated summary. Click into the AI Brief tab to shape how your summary reads. You can choose a personality and format. An Executive Digest works well for business intel, or write a custom prompt. Once you're happy with the format, go to the Schedule tab. Toggle on Auto-Generate, pick your time. 7 a.m. works great, so it's waiting when your team starts their day, and set your time zone. That's it. The brief will generate itself every day from this point forward. Now go back to your feed overview and click the Slack icon. Log into your Slack workspace and authorize rss.app to post. Then choose the channel where you want the brief to land. Once connected, rss.app will send up to the most recent AI brief to confirm everything's working. Check your Slack channel. If you see the summary, you're live. And if you want to adjust how the message looks, toggle the buttons in the Settings tab, or check what was actually sent in the History tab if you ever need to troubleshoot. And that's the whole system. rss.app is tracking your sources on autopilot. AI Brief is synthesizing everything into one clean summary, and it's delivered to whoever needs it in Slack, every morning without anyone lifting a finger. Try it today with rss.app.